This is Troy from Sewerquip. I'm just going to have a quick talk about the importance of keeping your Rootax serviced and lubricated to prevent overspinning. So I've got a Rootax here, and inside this bottle of oil here is like a very thick viscous fluid, so it's very, as you can see, it's very thick and gluggy. So it has a very high consistency of thickness to prevent the bearings in the head from overspinning. So if you don't keep the oil up to the head, it will overspin and it will damage the bearings and the seals, which then you have to rebuild the head. So it's a good idea to just every second or third use undo the Allen key on the side of the nozzle there, just with a little Allen key. Behind there's a little O-ring. Just make sure you retain the O-ring, and you inject some of the oil into the syringe. It takes approximately 5 to 8 mils. You just poke it in there and push the fresh oil through. All the old oil and whatever bit of water is in the head, it'll just ooze out the back. Put this screw back in and put your O-ring back on the back and just clean it up and put it back in your case and you're done.